Rotterdam is undeniably the most futuristic and cutting-edge city in the Netherlands. It's a right metropolis with Europe's busiest port, groundbreaking museums, fantastic architecture, and a multi-ethnic community that seeps through in every aspect of the town. Rotterdam is also the only Dutch city with a proper skyline due to the many high-rises and bridges. You'll need at least 2 days to see it all. Above all, Rotterdam is the architecture city of Holland that stimulates innovation. There are many things to do amid Rotterdam's skyscrapers. You can go on a shopping spree, enjoy some excellent food, and visit a range of museums and attractions in and around the city center. After all, it's Rotterdam's unique history that has made the city the platform for progress that it is today. From museums to festivals and from heritage to street art, you shouldn't miss these cultural giants in Rotterdam. Rotterdam itself has much to offer but is also the perfect base from which to visit cities, nature, beaches, and the attractions in the area. Get on your bike and or take public transportation and you'll find yourself there in no time. From the bustling Rotterdam Maasvlakte and the vast dunes of Hoek van Holland to the royal city and seat of the government, The Hague, and the traditional Dutch windmills at Kinderdijk.